Hello, and welcome to Discussion Board 4, the Great Constitutional Amendments. For today's discussion, I will be addressing Amendment Number 1. Congress shall make no law respecting the establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or of the right of the people to peaceably assemble, and to petition the government for redress of grievances. There is so much wrapped up in those 45 words penned by James Madison, which permits a free exchange of ideas. Congress shall make no law respecting the establishment of religion. This is referred to as the Establishment Clause. In this clause, Congress cannot create or institute a church or religion. Congress cannot recognize one religion over another, or religion over non-religion. In Everson versus the Board of Education of Ewing Township, the ruling established a wall of separation between church and state, as discussed last week in the Danbury papers regarding Bill 82, a bill establishing religious freedom, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof. This statement, which is the continuation of the Establishment Clause, is called the Free Exercise Clause. The Free Exercise Clause permits any person to worship or express themselves in the religion of their choosing, including choosing not to practice religion or to recognize a religion. The state cannot accept taxes as being part of an established church. Freedom to express oneself in worship is protected by the law. This statement also allows for one to break the law if there is a religious reason to do so, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press. As we look closer to some of our basic freedoms, we tend to forget that not all of our speech is protected under the law, especially as it violates the freedoms of others. Speech permits us to call out our government when it misrepresents the people or the law itself. The freedom of speech includes that which is spoken, written, photographed, filmed, or placed in advertisements. Government has the right to limit speech when it is used to incite violence, as in Schenck versus the United States, as clear and present danger, or when used in forums, they can limit time, place, and manner in which the speech is delivered, or of the right of the people to peaceably assemble. Our governments, federal and state, cannot force or prevent us from joining a group. This gathering was established in the Constitution for us to meet in order to change government by legal means. If our government is abusing its powers, it is the right of the people to alter or to abolish it. So how can we do that if we do not have the right to assemble? And to petition the government for redress of grievances. This statement allows for the people to make a complaint or assistance to the courts requesting judicial action without repercussions. It allows for the people to take part in the government that they established. They want to be represented, and when they feel that is not happening, the amendment permits them to take legal recourse. These first 10 amendments were seen as a necessity by the states before the Constitution would be adopted, as their basic freedoms of all men. Some today are willing to give up some of those rights for the protection by our government. Teaching our students the importance of our rights and studying the Constitution as a whole will hopefully direct our students to make better decisions in the future regarding the law and incite pride in the biblical principles which our government was founded upon. Thank you.